Hello, everyone. I hope that you all are doing well. So, today we are going to start with our new course next year. Okay. So, let's understand what are the different um, modules are there under next year's, as well as how you will complete it, how you will complete the assessment and quizzes, and how you are going to submit it. So for that, to access the next year's course, you have to go to our LMS and click on My Courses. Under My Courses, if next year's course is assigned to you, you're able to see this particular icon. You just need to click on a next year's, and automatically all the sections of next year's course will be visible. Under this pre-quiz section, you're able to see that already you just undergone with some quizzes, okay, before this course assigned to you. So this is the pre-quiz section. After that, the next JS course starts from next year's introduction. So in this course, there are how many? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven sections are there. So for all the backend developers, this next year's course is compulsory. And one, two, three, four, five, until up to the middleware sections, these sections are compulsory. Front-end concepts and next year's full stack demo app, these two sections are optional for you, but I recommended that you just go ahead with this concepts or all these sections. So I'll just tell you, I just let you know how you will complete one section, and similarly you can go ahead with the further sections. Okay. Now, when you open the next year's introduction section, this section is made up of few videos or few concepts. Okay. So module introduction is nothing but this particular introductory video where I am explaining you how to complete the course and how you can go ahead, how you can submit the assessment, and what are the different timelines and durations assigned for each section or for each concept. Next year's course actually starts from next year's features. Okay, when you click on it, automatically the related video get open, and where you can just watch the video. If you are really not satisfied with the video and you want to go ahead, you can do the R&D. We have uploaded the videos which we think that are related with these particular concepts and which are the best on the YouTube for you. And in a less amount of time, it gives you more concept related information. So such videos we have uploaded. Unlike React course, in a React course, I have uploaded all the videos which are recorded by me. But due to the some time limits, I just done the R&D and uploaded the related videos in this particular next year's course. Next, once you completed by watching this video, it's not compulsory, okay? If you want to go ahead with the another source of materials and another things, perfectly all right. Now I have uploaded one PPT, one documentation which I have prepared. You can click, it get downloaded. Once it get downloaded, you can open it and you can find out the related documentations and kind of a next year's features and introduction and all these things. So this, but one section has one PPT. After that, there is assessment and quiz section. So in assessment, you can see the assessment will get open by 29 and it will be available till 6 May 11 p.m. Okay. So within this time period, you can submit this assessment anytime. Okay. And assessment may have some practical questions, some theoretical questions. Okay. Now, how you are going to submit it? So you need to click on add as submissions, and there is a one file upload option. You can upload a zip file for the application. Okay, here I'm asking that create a next year's application, which is uh, to simply have some kind of a server side components and some client side components. Okay. And there is another question, which is theoretical questions. So you just have to point out the differences, how it differs. Okay. Client side and server side components, rendering, how it get differs and why we are calling them server side or client-side component. So what is the difference? So this is the theoretical question. Now, how you are going to submit it? Either you can create a README file in a same Next.js application, and you can answer this particular question in a README file. Another thing, you can upload your application on GitHub, and in a notepad, you can share the GitHub application link, or you can create a separate upload, okay, for the question number 1 and question number 2, your wish, okay. So simply you have to upload the file, upload the zip file, notepad file, whatever you want. So in this way, you can submit the assessment. Next is the quiz. So quiz will be available after the particular duration of time. Quiz may have a 10 questions. Quiz may have a 7 questions, 5 questions based on a type of a question. If the question is complicated, then obviously I will assign a 2 points to that question. And obviously the things varies. Now the time duration and point of every quiz is simple, same, okay. 10 points and 10 minutes. So if some questions are complicated, I will just reduce the number of questions. And obviously, I can't reduce the duration. I can't, increase the duration of a quiz. 10 minutes, 10 points. Okay. So in this way, you can submit, you can complete the each section. Okay. And one more important thing is, if you want to learn, if you want to go ahead with the Next.js, then obviously you need to understand, you have to understand the concepts of React. Okay. So to build a complete web application with React and Next.js, so what we need to do? We need to bundle the code. We need to just optimize the production code and splitting of it. And then we want the statically pre-render some pages, okay, for performance or search engine optimizations. So all these things of a React, which we are doing separately, it's wrapped under the framework. So a framework can solve all these problems, but such a framework must have the right level of abstraction. Otherwise, it won't be very useful, and it also needs some kinds of development experience, okay, and ensures you and your team have an amazing experience while writing the code. So Next.js is nothing but a framework. It gives you all kind of an environment in which you can create your application rather than the React. But all the React related concepts are used by the Next.js. So it's not like that you are learning Next.js and you are not aware about the React, then it's perfectly all right. No, you have to learn the React if you are okay, clear with the basic concept. We are not expecting that you should be uh, uh, pro in a React, okay, but basic level concept should be clear, okay, before you start Next.js. Now, Next.js aims to have some best-in-class developer experience and many built-in features, okay? And initiative page-based routing is there. Then static generation and server-side rendering is there. Automatic code splitting and faster page load is there. Client-side routing, which optimized prefetching is there. Built-in CSS and SAS support is there. Okay, API routes and build API endpoints with a serverless functions, and server actions and server functions are already there and fully extensible. So Next.js is very interesting and well supported framework. So, and again, obviously, this is a free and interactive course, and it will guide you through how to get a how to get started with the Next.js. Okay. So in this tutorial, you will learn the Next.js basic concepts again. And by creating a very simple applications, okay, you can try and error the concepts. Now we are just giving you the push. Okay. So this is the concept and this is the introductory video. This is the video we have shared with you. Now, if you want to become an advance in it, you have to go through the R&Ds and all these things. So please invest your time, some time in learning, and I hope that it will be the beneficial for you all, and I hope that you will complete this course on time. Okay. And one more thing, particular section get completed, so Next.js introduction, this particular section starts from 29 and ends with the 6th of May. So we are going to arrange one Q&A session on 6th or 7th based on the requirement, okay? And where we can discuss the problems or issues you are facing, or so some concepts you are not getting. So those things we will discuss in a Q&A sections, sessions, okay? So again, one more thing, once particular section get completed, then I will get a grades, okay, of all the of all of you, okay? And this particular thing I will share with your TPM or your senior TPM or your lead, okay? So after every section get completed, two activities I use to perform. First one is the Q&A session and second one is the report generation and sharing with the team members. Okay, so I hope that you all are able to complete the course on time, and still if you are facing any issues, we will discuss in a Q&A session. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.